Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in InShot. If you're looking for an easy way to create cool rewind effects, magic tricks or the cinematic transition, reversing a video is a great editing technique. In this tutorial I'll show you how to reverse a video using InShot, and it is the most popular and beginner friendly video editing apps available for the Android and iPhone. So let's get started. First you need to open to your InShot app on your phone. On the home screen you'll see three main options: video, photo and the collage. You need to tap on the video to start a new editing project. So over here you can either select the video you want to reverse from your gallery, or you can also select to the draft on the bottom, as I'm going to tap on this draft. So over here on the toolbar option, until you find the reverse, you need to simply swipe on it. In the last section we can find this reverse, select the reverse, and that is it. When you reverse a video in InShot, the original audio is automatically removed, and you can also preview your reversed video, and that's it. That's how you can reverse a video in InShot quickly and easily. This feature is perfect for creative transition, fun social media edits and engaging content. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.